Hi, I'm Rusty Faust, excited to be here. Today I'm going to be talking about LLCs. I'm going to be talking about the tax implications, how to protect your property, and how to invest it with the least tax implications as possible. Tennessee has a statute to allow that, and what you have is a master LLC, and then you can open up a series underneath the master, as many as you like. It's still just one filing annual report with the Tennessee Secretary of State.
Hey guys, Chris Burles, the Knoxville Mortgage Brokers. Tonight we're going to talk about a little bit of creative financing, building wealth for the future. Some creative financing products that, like Whitney says, you don't always need a bank. If you do, this is what this is for. So I look forward to sharing some information with you investors tonight on how to keep your money moving, how to build those portfolios, and build that long-term wealth.
These products, we don't use income. We don't verify employment. As long as you got a credit score, you got the down payment or you got the equity in the product or in the project, we can do the loan.